In this video, we demonstrate how the contactless tone detector identifies optical tones without making physical contact with the connector, helping reduce the risk of fiber connector contamination. To use this feature, you will need a PX1 power meter and the GP-3282 Contactless Tone Adapter. Ensure that your PX1 is updated to the latest software version and that live fiber tone is available in the menu. Attach the GP-3282 Contactless Tone Adapter to the PX1 optical port. Use a light source to inject a 2 kHz optical tone into a single fiber. And also use a multifiber light source to inject a 1 kHz optical tone into an MPO12 link. To identify the far end of the link, position the contactless tone detector in front of each connector. As you can see, the PX1 detects the 2 kHz optical tone from up to 1 meter away, even with the dust cap still installed on the connector. To pinpoint the exact transmitting port, simply move the contactless tone detector closer to the patch panel and approach the emitting connector. As you move to the next port, the detected tone level stops until you reach the adjacent MPO12 port, where a 1 kHz optical tone is being transmitted from the far end of the link. For more information, visit the Optical Power Expert website.